about SAT reading passages is you need to expect the unexpected. What do I mean? Well, if they make the question and the answer in the passage something you would not expect, then it's going to force you to understand what it's saying and answer accordingly. If it says the sky is green, you answer that the sky is green. My name is Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and IvyMasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 5, Section 1, number 23, which reads, according to the passage, a significant attribute of conventional agriculture is its ability to do what? So we go up to the passage and we see the relevant parts here that are talking about conventional agriculture. And what we've got here is that conventional industrial agriculture has become incredibly efficient on a simple land-to-food basis. What's meant by that? We read on. Conventional farming gets more and more crop per square foot of cultivated land, which means less territory needs to be converted from wilderness into farmland. And since a third of the planet is already used for agriculture, destroying forests and other habitats along the way, anything that could help us produce more food on less land would seem to be good for the environment. And then what else do we get? So it's better for the environment to grow more food on less land. In the graphs, what we see is that this is organic yield as a percentage of conventional yield by crop site. And we see with their caption here is, at 100%, the organic yield is the same as conventional yield. In other words, if you have fruit trees here, then whether you grow organic or conventional, it's about the same. So if you have a field where you could grow 100 apple trees, maybe you could have 99 if they're grown organically, but 100 if they're grown conventionally, like with pesticides and stuff. On the other hand, if you've got vegetables, see vegetables here, on a field where you could grow, let's say, 100 carrots, you could only grow about 65 carrots if they're grown organically versus 100 conventionally. And then we see the same type of thing here. We see wheat. That's maybe 61 organically grown versus conventionally grown, and so on and so forth. So you're getting less crop per acre for organic than you are for conventional farming. And that's what's significant in this passage about conventional agriculture. You get more crop per acre. So answer choice A, provide a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. All the fruits and vegetables that could be grown conventionally could also be grown organically. Maximize the output of cultivated land. That looks like that's a good answer. Answer choice C, satisfy the dietary needs of the world's population. Although it says like it could be threat that we will run out of farmland eventually. It's not really talking about that as a point. Answer choice D, lessen the necessity of nitrogen in plant growth. Both organic and conventional farming use nitrogen. Only conventional farming uses pesticides, not pesticides, uses synthetic nitrogen, whereas organic farming uses cover crops like natural nitrogen. So the correct answer here is maximize the output of cultivated land. You get more crop per acre. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble with these types of questions, maybe does not expect the unexpected. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.